When dissent within a ruling party is suppressed through the deployment of state security organs against political opponents, including sitting members of parliament and civic leaders, that is a security threat. When state media is weaponized to manufacture consent for constitutional amendment, then the citizenry is not meaningfully interrogated. That is a threat to the informational integrity of the republic. Sarapina mashokoni kwakunzi panguva inoi General Muchena is now threatening Svikananda achinyatsokuvaratidza kuti ZANU-PF is now a security threat. Don't forget to subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tipita mchokwadi chausingadi kunzwa toenda pahendo ya retired General Winston Skauke Mapranga anodanyira chiti General Muchena did not invent these categories. They are drawn from every serious doctrine of civil-military relations that Zimbabwe is engaged with, from our own Lancaster House inheritance to African Union C Constitutive Act. It would be dishonest to write this piece without noting the immediate political context in which General Muchena's remarks have landed. Zimbabwe is presently navigating the proposed Constitutional Amendment Bill No. 3, a piece of legislation that, if passed in its current trajectory, would create the conditions for a president to serve beyond 2028, actively dismantling the two-term limit that the 2013 Constitution envisioned as a non-negotiable protection against the entrenchment of personal power. I have studied constitutions. I have served under 3 commanders-in-chief. I understand what term limits do. They do not weaken the presidency. They protect it. They protect the institution from the men. They protect the name from the accumulation of unchecked power in a single individual. When you remove term limits, you do not strengthen democracy. You begin its quiet funeral. If CAP 3 proceeds on its current trajectory, and if the process is perceived domestically and internationally as the product of institutional capture rather than genuine popular will, then the security implications General Chwenka gestures towards become not hypothetical but inevitable. History does not reward those who mistake political momentum for constitutional legitimacy. Toma developments aripo panguva ino. Kana comment section medu zvafungura imo kuti pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Subscribe or like, on the bell icon.